Welcome to our comparison of two popular massage devices, the LINGTENG Leg Massager and the COMFIER Foot Massager. Both products aim to alleviate pain and improve circulation, but they cater to different needs. In this video, we will delve into their features, benefits, and how they can enhance your relaxation experience. Let's get started. The LINGTENG Leg Massager is designed specifically for the calves and arms, providing targeted relief through air compression. In contrast, the COMFIER Shiatsu Foot Massager focuses on the feet and ankles, offering a more comprehensive massage experience that includes deep kneading and compression. This difference in target areas is crucial for users depending on where they experience pain. The LINGTENG Leg Massager utilizes air compression technology to simulate a massage, providing a gentle yet effective relief for muscle fatigue. On the other hand, the COMFIER Foot Massager combines Shiatsu rolling, vibration, and air compression, delivering a more intense and varied massage experience. This makes the COMFIER a better option for those seeking deeper tissue relief. The LINGTENG Leg Massager is cordless and lightweight, making it easy to use anywhere, whether at home or on the go. In contrast, the COMFIER Foot Massager is a freestanding machine that requires a power outlet, making it less portable. This design difference is essential for users who prioritize mobility and convenience in their massage devices. In conclusion, both the LINGTENG Leg Massager and the COMFIER Foot Massager offer unique benefits tailored to different user needs. If you are looking for a portable solution for calf relief, the LINGTENG is an excellent choice. However, if you need a comprehensive foot massage for chronic pain, the COMFIER is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.